हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सुदर्शन किड्स। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ 25 इम्पॉर्टेंट जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चंस शेयर कर रही हूँ जो नर्सरी और किंडरगार्टन बच्चों के लिए बहुत यूजफुल हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। विच सेंस ऑर्गन हेल्प्स अस टू नो दैट द टेलीफोन इज रिंगिंग? ईयर। हाउ मेनी सेंस ऑर्गन्स डू वी हैव? 5. Eyes, nose, tongue, ear, skin. How many colors are in the rainbow? 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Which color do we get by mixing yellow and blue color? Green color. Who makes furniture? Carpenter. I am bird. I can see very well in night. Who am I? Owl. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? Camel. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Lion. Where do horses live? In a stable. Who makes Mew Sound? Cat. Under the ground, ring on ring, chop me up and your eyes will sting. Who am I? Onion. Right. Which flower faces the sun throughout the day? A sunflower. How many colors are in the national flag of India? 3 colors: saffron, white and green. Where is Taj Mahal situated? In Agra. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. When Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated? On 2nd October. What is the name of the famous folk dance of Punjab? Bhangra. Which festival is known as Festival of Lights? Diwali. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is Sachin Tendulkar? A cricketer. In which season we eat mangoes? Summer season. Which machine is used for washing clothes? Washing machine. How many months are there in a year? 12 months. How many days are there in a week? 7. When we get hurt or when ill, where should we go? In the hospital. फ्रेंड्स, ये था आज का वीडियो जीके क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर। इफ़ यू लाइक इट सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोज़। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।